If I wanted to spend my time watching a number quickly decreasing on a screen line.
We have to play that, Cobbles. We have to play that. Can you handle that, Cobbles? Why do I feel like it's like me looking over at you while I'm like I leave stream for a second and then come back and you guys are doing stuff like that?
The bigger the room, the better.
A hotel?
Your family for generations.
Well, I like the vibes already.
The caretaker. He's a little eccentric. We'll see.
You off this planet for good. I'm
Invincible. I like how the coins play this. I'm coins. Da 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 da. That's the support. Part your way to the ever after. I like the music. Oh, there's a burb! There's a little owl creature. We just raised the mic up as well so you can hear me better. I'm standing. Yeah, do some stretches, Cobbles. You shouldn't sit down. OLED, no, not monitors.
OLED really does feel like a quantum leap forward in terms of the image quality you can expect from a really high-end monitor. And that's not to say they don't have
5 stages before I can play. Did I miss a meeting? If I wanted to spend my time watching a number quickly decreasing on a screen line.
I think you're going to be happy with it.
I think they
especially the
scripted
particle
this.
cannons and plasma railgun.
What? I'm here about a custom PC build.
Are you sure? Let me check the work order. Jacob, please build me an awesome custom PC by June 8th. I'll also need you to build me a mech so I can rain fire and destruction down upon all my enemies on June 9th.
I am the prince that
Well,
is
there's lots of reasons.
approaching.
Cost is definitely one, because you can absolutely save money over pre-built computers by buying parts separately and putting them together yourself.
Never watch a PC gaming show again, Camels. I might never watch a PC gaming show again. If this is how it ends.
We're going.
All right, it's time. Tell me when.
Hello everyone to the PC Gaming Show Free Show.
This is so fun!
Not